Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm doing a review on something that I've been wanting to review for the longest time. I'm a huge fanatic for skincare. I love skincare. I do have sensitive skin. My skin is not acne prone. I do get blemishes here and there. I do get a lot of texture though, and so I love skin food products. This is a Korean product. I used to use the product a couple years back and I just stopped buying it for some weird reason. I don't know why, but I just finished filming 2 videos. So that's why it's kind of like same shirt, same face, well, same hair and makeup. Because I want to try this product. So I wanted to have like a full face of makeup on. I'm going to wash it all off so I can show you guys my bare face. You're probably going to see me with glasses on because I'm wearing my contacts right now. But anyways, this is Skin Food watermelon face mask, and it's soothing and it's a wash off type. That's what it says on here, and it has a cute little watermelon on top of it. And I'm surprised this is in English. It says how to use. So after the toner, apply a thick and even layer all over your face, avoiding the eye area and lips. After 10 to 15 minutes, gently massage and rinse with lukewarm water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop in the shower, wash my face, come out. You're going to see me in my nightgown, my pajama shirt. Because I'm that YouTuber who gets all dressed up just to do like, it's like I want to go to bed after this. I don't want to get all dressed up, you know? That's just me personally. But anyways, I'm going to open it up because I want to smell it. I don't know why I smell plastic, but ooh. Oh my gosh. The smell is so good. Oh, I was reading the stuff and like, it just spilled. It smells like candy, like literally candy for your face. So it's a moisturizing wash off gel mask that instantly soothes and hydrates your skin. So my skin has been like dry. So I have combination skin as well, so my skin has been like dry but also like oily. I don't know why, but this is very it's not a thick consistency. It's very kind of watery. I do have like a weird blemish like right here. I don't even know if it's blemish. It's like more texture, but like right here. So what I'm gonna do, again, I'll hop in the shower, wash my face, and I'll be right back. I don't have my contacts on, so I really can't see that well. All I know is I'm recording. I'm putting my little headband on. I'm gonna put this on. It says do an even but thick layer, right? Didn't see that. So yeah, I cleansed my face. I use the Cetaphil face cleanser. So I'm using my finger since I don't have a spatula. And I'm applying a thick layer. Let's sneeze now on my face. I'm gonna leave this on for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. I should bring this a little bit closer. It has been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go wash my face. I do want to mention though, when it was on during the 15 minutes, it did feel a little, like a very smidge, it did feel tingly, but it was very soothing. Like it felt very cool. I really do like it. I like the way it smells. I could still smell it. But I want to wash my face with lukewarm water and I shall return. So I washed my face off, and if you're a texture person, because I'm a texture person, it felt so disgusting washing it off my face. It felt like goo, just like all over my face. It was pretty nasty. I think it's just the texture of it. But overall, my like skin feels so smooth. And then like this little thing right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's not red anymore. It was red, and then when I got out of the shower, it was red. And when I put this stuff on and washed my face, put my moisturizer on, it wasn't red anymore. I'm like shocked. But overall, I give it a 10 out of 10. No, I'm gonna take that back. A 9 out of 10. only because I don't like the sliminess and gooey-ness of like washing it off. But other than that, it's a great product. I got it on Amazon. I got it on Amazon for like $10. But I do like this one. I do love it. It is amazing. You guys should go and try it out. It's worth every penny. And I do have sensitive skin again, so my face feels so smooth and I love it. I love it. 9 out of 10. If you guys like this video, please thumbs it up and subscribe to me, and leave a comment down below for any future videos you'd like me to see. You'll like me to do in the future. You'll like to see me do in the future. That's what I was trying to say. And until my next video, I shall see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, I'm going to bed, so that's why I look like this. Okay, bye.